Today we are going to be doing a DIY of a noise maker. That's a little close. It will look like, oh, I can't really do that. It will look like this when it is done. You are going to need 2 plastic bowls,
some colors,
yeah, some markers, you know,
a pencil.
A
is
pencil,
like a main part.
Yes,
too.
a sharpened pencil here, sharpened. Doesn't matter how sharp.
And
some kind of
cereal.
Any kind will do. And
a stapler.
Yes, a stapler.
Stapler.
A staple with staples in it.
And first off, you staple this part.
What you're first gonna do is you're gonna staple these 2 parts together, like so. So it looks.
Right, we need.
Oh, that kind of broke. Like that. Okay, we're gonna. Oh my gosh, why did we do this? Look at that, dude. You're gonna staple it like so. So then it looks like so it looks like this, like this. So you can go like that.
You close it up.
Not yet.
You put cereal.
Yeah, that one. Any kind of cereal on it. About that much is okay. And then
put the top on top of it.
Put the top back. Oh, that's gonna be a little problem. Oh, it would probably be easier for you to not staple it first. So then what you're gonna do is staple the edges. What happened there? Anyway, so how's everyone been? How was Christmas?
And
so
then
you have that.
You color randomly.
Then you can color. Color. And then the last thing you want to do
is put a pencil
would be put a pencil through the top and
out the bottom.
Into the bottom.
And you're able to.
Yes. You've got your very own noise maker. Yay! Perfect for New Year's. And they're both perfect for New Year's.
Yes.
Perfect.